What is up, guys? It's Fix and here, and today we're doing a screen replacement slash restoration on this Essential P1 phone. Now this is the Essential Ph1 Android phone. Many people have not heard about this phone, but it is actually a really awesome phone that is really well made and is actually pretty nice looking. This is made by a brand called Essential, and they only made one phone. So they were going to release another one, but then they had some scammy, weird stuff go on, and yeah, let's say they didn't make another phone. So this phone was actually super ahead of its time. It has 128 gigabytes of storage. It has 4 gigabytes of RAM and a pretty powerful processor with a very nice 1080p full res screen. So this phone was extremely ahead of its time. It came out in so this phone came out in May of 2017, so very ahead of its time. It was announced on May 30th, 2017, and came out August 17th, so still very ahead of its time. So today we have this phone in, and we are going to be doing a screen replacement on it. As you can see, we have some dead pixels right there. So I have a brand new good replacement screen, and we're going to go ahead and put it on. Now this phone is in actually extremely good condition, and I got it for a really good price. I only got it for I think $40 total out the door, and the screen replacement was only $16, so crazy prices. Let's go ahead and let's get started. We'll power this off. And this isn't like any normal like iPhone or other Android. You get in from the front of the phone. So let's go ahead and let's get started. I have actually already owned another Essential phone, and I actually really liked it. I've had one for a really long time, and yeah, I decided to buy another one and spread the word on it, as it's a really good now budget phone. I will say the one drawback about this phone is that it is decently hard to get into, and if you ever do have to do a battery replacement, you destroy the screen in the meantime. Another con I don't like is this part here is actually very fragile and chips off. And it chips off after a while. As you can see, here's my personal one. And all the top here is all chipped off and messed up. So that is definitely a con with this phone, but other than that, it's a really good phone, and if you throw a case on it, you can never really tell. So let's keep going. This screen is definitely shot now, but oh well, it was a non-functioning screen anyways. You could probably be able to save this screen if you used a heat plate, but oh well. Alright, there we go. The screen is off. Now this is the super easy part. Now all it is literally 2 Phillips head screws, and the screen comes off. So let's go ahead and do that. I will test this screen out first though, to see if it even does work, just for the heck of it. I doubt it does, but worth the try. Oh yeah, that's toast. The screen is also very paper thin, so It has its perks and its drawbacks. It's not going to shut off. So we're going to have to do a little bit more than what we thought. That was a mistake of turning it on. So we're going to go ahead and unplug the battery, because you don't want to unplug the screen like this. There we go, just a couple Phillips head screws. And this plate should come off. Well, I unplugged the screen by accident. That was not my goal. But, oh well, it's now unplugged. So, now we unplug the battery. There we go. So now you guys get an inside look of an essential phone. Nothing extremely special in here. Alright, now that the battery is unplugged, let's go ahead, plug it back in. Put this little bar back on. Alright, we won't put any screws in, and we will grab our new screen. Alright, new screen has been plugged in. Let's go ahead and let's turn it on. Okay. It's dead. I'll go ahead and charge it up and we'll be back. Alrighty, the phone is on and it seems to be working perfectly fine. So the screen looks good. Let's go ahead, let's shut it off, and we will finish with the installation. Alright, so now we're going to put all of the screws in. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and put some new adhesive on it. So I'm going to clean up the edges and get that all ready. We just put some B7000 on here. Let's go ahead and let's seal it up. Alright, there we go. Screen is installed. Now we're going to put some rubber bands on it and let it dry. Alright, went ahead and let the glue dry. And that is it. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like. And if you're new, please subscribe to my channel. This essential phone is a great phone with a very underrated company. Pretty sad that they did go out of business, as I think they had some pretty awesome ideas. I definitely think this phone is a perfect budget phone now if you're looking to get a budget phone, and decently easy to fix, as you saw there, with very cheap parts. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Peace out.